My mother was mostly responsible for my Yiddish education. Now, I mentioned earlier that my grandmother never learned a word of English, even though she was in the country 22 years before she passed away. So I learned Yiddish from her, but it was what I'd refer to as a shtetl Yiddish. It was the Yiddish of the common people in the streets, and it's the Yiddish that's spoken most often in the United States. Or at least was when the immigrants came over. My mother, though, insisted I get a Yiddish education from the Arbeitering, the workmen's circle, via the Wynnefield, Yiddish Folkshul. Wynnefield was not a suburb, it was a section of Philadelphia that was pretty much a Yiddish ghetto. But I started to point out that my mother sent me to this Folkshul, where the Yiddish there was totally different from the shtetl Yiddish. It was we called it a tiefen Yiddish, a deep Yiddish, based more, I guess, on the High German than on anything else, but still with Russian, with Russian words, Polish words, Hebrew words, all put together in a beautiful amalgam. But it stayed with me. I went to the Folkshul for the time I was 8 till the time I was 14, so 6 years. And even had connections with it after that. So there we learned, we read all the great authors, Shalom Aleichem, Shalom Ash, Avram Rezen, Heston Bialik, Yud Lamed Peretz, the great of the greats. And we learned a lot of the Yiddish songs.